How the hell I got from this to this in only 4 months, and how you can evolve like that too? Let's go! Step 1. Simple things matter. Don't leave the video yet and don't get mad at me. I know you're skipping the basics. Lines, basic shapes, perspective. That's exactly why you're stuck and not improving. I drew a lot of cylinders, cubes, and rotated them over and over again. I'm not a drawing master, but just doing that my art improved a lot. But basics alone won't do magic. That's why you need to understand. You need a routine. Because when we do what we want, the day we want, usually the time is better used. So plan your day, your week, your month. Don't act like art is just fun and games, because it's not. Step 2. Values and edges. Forget about colors. Values and edges should be your focus. You need to lock in and try both. Why? Because if your values and edges are not good, your art will really suck. Look at these two drawings. You can tell why they're different. If you say that this one have bad values and edges, you're right. Here's the truth. Lines doesn't exist in real life. Your brain builds images based on light contrast and plane changes, not outlines. So yeah, edges and values are what actually make a drawing look real. Study values first, then edges. Practice with basic shapes, then do still life, then focus on parts. Like the human face, you can study eyes and mouths and nose, and then you can build it layer by layer. Step 3. Courses. Follow a person who knows more than you can decrease years of effort. I did 3 courses because I was broke. I'm still broke, but at least my drawings look expensive now. One of my favorites was drawing a box, and I'm still doing, to be honest, but you can learn literally everything. Do a lot of exercise and increase your technical knowledge of art. Drawbox is an amazing course I encourage you to do. But you can buy courses too. I bought one of character design and it was a great choice. If you have money, I encourage you to invest on your future. They don't need to be expensive. For that, I recommend Creative Fabrica. You can buy or subscribe monthly to receive access to thousands of lessons of digital and traditional art. Everything you need to improve your art today. Check the link in the description for a special offer. Step 4. Copying. Now, the big one. You may have heard about copying, but I just took it to another level. I selected 2 artists and copied their artworks again and again. Franz von Stuck and Yoshitaka Mano. This was my first try at copying Franz's art. Took me 10 hours and I wasn't able to finish it. I was so tired that I just gave up. These drawings were failed attempts to copy Yoshitaka line art. Exhausting hours feeling a complete fail. And I did it all the time since the start. Copy, don't be ashamed of doing that. Copy 1, 2, 6 artists. It will just make your art evolve and you will thank me later. But that helped with finalization techniques. Don't jump steps. Do copy exercises but maintain all the other exercises too. And if you ever wanted to create characters like Studio Ghibli or Dark Souls, you may watch this video where I share how professionals design characters from absolute zero and how you can design yours too. Always remember, burn it to the ground.